In continuation with chapter number 2, electrostatic potentials and capacitance, our next topic is potential due to a system of charges. As we have studied that potential due to a point at a point due to a source charge is given by kq by r. Now let us suppose there is a system in which many charges are given. Then due to this charges, the potential at a point will be equal to the potentials due to all the charges on that point. So let us consider a point on which we have to find the potential due to number of charges. Let us suppose these are n number of charges. Their position vector from the origin is Rn, and the distance between Qn and P is Rnp. Let us suppose this is Q1, Q2, Q3 and so on. The distance between Qn and P is R1P, R2P, R3P. As we know that the potential due to charge 1 on point P is given by kq1 upon R1P, V2 potential is equal to kq2 upon R2P. Similarly, for Vn charge, the potential Vn is equal to, for Qn charge, potential Vn is equal to kqn by R and P. Therefore, the total potential by principle of superposition potential at point P is the algebraic sum of all the individual potentials. And we know that potential is a scalar quantity. Now substitute the values. And so on. This can be written as K summation over I is equal to 1 to I equal to n charges Qi upon Ri P. This is the generalized form of a potential due to a number of charges.